To install the Fit3x car seat with the vehicle seatbelt in the forward-facing position, begin by locating the top tether storage. Press down on the adjuster button and pull down to loosen. Unclip the tether hook. Next, store the lower anchors. To do that, start by unbuckling the chest clip and harness buckle. Loosen the harness by pressing the harness release button and pulling forward on both of the harness straps. Pull up on the headrest adjustment handle until the headrest reaches the highest position. Unsnap the side support and backrest padding. Remove the side support. Fold the headrest padding under itself and pull down on the backrest padding. Store the lower anchor straps in the lower anchor storage compartment. Make sure the lower anchor connectors, lower anchor adjuster, and all the straps are fully stored inside the compartment. Reattach the backrest padding by fastening the snaps. Pull the headrest padding down. Make sure the headrest padding is unfolded and covering the car seat backrest. Replace the side support if your child weighs under 40 pounds. Place the Fit3x in your vehicle seat in the forward-facing position. Lay the tether strap over the back of the vehicle seat. Make sure the Fit3x is not blocking the vehicle seat belt buckle and that the base is laying flat on the seat surface. Check that the headrest of the vehicle seat does not interfere with the headrest of the Fit3x. Then, squeeze the recline adjustment handle and pull forward to adjust to a reclined position. Check the bubble level indicator. Make sure the bubble is between the two lines for the forward-facing installation. Readjust the recline as necessary. Route the vehicle lap shoulder belt through the red forward-facing belt path on the side of the car seat. Guide the vehicle lap shoulder belt behind the seat pad through the forward-facing belt path on the opposite side of the car seat. Buckle the lap shoulder belt. While pushing down on the Fit3x, pull up on the vehicle shoulder belt to tighten the lap portion of the seat belt and slide the shoulder belt into the lock-off. As an option, you can pull the rest of the seat belt out to lock the retractor. You should no longer be able to pull out any slack. Locate the tether anchor in your vehicle. Attach the tether hook to the anchor and pull the adjuster strap. Hold the Fit3x at the belt path and pull side to side and front to back. It should not move more than 1 inch from the vehicle seat back or side to side. Make sure the bubble is still between the two lines for forward-facing installation.